Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Facebook video. So let's open our Facebook account, and if you want to download your own videos or your own reels, it's easy. Just tap on your reels and then tap on that video that you have uploaded and tap this three dots that you can see on the right in the bottom right corner of your phone, and then just tap download reel. Now if you want to download someone's videos or pictures, so this is what we're going to do. So let's go back to our menu settings or our Facebook here. So on our home, so let's try to find a video, maybe this one from NASA. So I'm choosing NASA because all of their videos are copyright free. So once you have the video, tap share, that share button, and then tap copy link, and then the link has been copied already. Now all you have to do is to go to any browser that you have, so maybe Safari or Google, and then all you have to do is to just paste that link to a Facebook video downloader. So let's try that one. So any browser, and then we will type Facebook video downloader, or you can just choose whatever Facebook downloader. So in here I'm using fdown.net, a Facebook video downloader. So paste the link and then start to download. And as you can see, it's now starting to download. So you can download the video in a normal quality or in HD quality. So let's try this HD quality. So take note, it has lots of ads, so just skip that part. And then as soon as you see this, tap download, and you will see on the left or the bottom left corner of your phone that it's now downloading. So let's tap downloads, and then you'll be able to see that straight from your gallery in HD quality. So that's it. If you find this informative, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more updates.